Excuse me, what are you eating? Oh, you're eating pretzels? That sounds so good. Can I have one? What's that? Did you just say no? Are you kidding me? The teacher told us that sharing is caring. So I will ask you one last time. Can I have one? You're still not going to give me one? Fine, I will just get one myself then. These look so good. Thank you so much. Ew, ew, ew. These taste absolutely disgusting. Are you trying to poison me or something? Wait a second, I bet you were trying to poison me. What is wrong with you? You do not poison another student. Excuse me, miss? They just tried to poison me. I need to go to the nurse right now.